Welcome to Flutter tutorial number 1, where we'll guide you step by step through the complete introduction and setup process of building modern, powerful, and fully functional cross-platform apps using Flutter, making sure you understand everything from the very beginning before moving into the advanced parts of development. Flutter is Google's powerful UI toolkit that is specifically designed for creating beautiful, smooth, and high-performing applications. It allows developers to write code once and then run it everywhere without the need for rewriting, as it fully supports Android, iOS, web, and even desktop platforms, all from a single, unified, and well-structured codebase. Flutter offers a single codebase that works across multiple platforms, giving developers the ability to build apps for Android, iOS, web, and desktop without writing separate code for each. It also provides the powerful hot reload feature for instant changes, a beautiful UI system with customizable widgets that can be tailored to any design, and a strong, supportive community to help at every stage of development. To get started, the very first step is to visit the official website flutter.dev and download the Flutter SDK that matches your operating system, whether you are using Windows, macOS, or Linux. Once the SDK is downloaded, extract the zip file into a suitable location on your computer, and then set up the path environment variables so that Flutter commands can be recognized globally from your terminal or command prompt. Finally, to make sure everything is installed correctly and ready to use, run the command flutter doctor in the terminal, which will verify your installation and guide you if there are any remaining steps to complete. Select your preferred IDE for Flutter development based on your comfort and project needs. VS Code is lightweight, fast, and very popular among developers who prefer simplicity and speed, while Android Studio offers a more complete and full-featured set of development tools with powerful integrations. Both options are excellent choices as they provide all the essential plugins required for Flutter and Dart, making sure you get the right environment to write, run, and debug your application smoothly. Set up your testing environment properly by creating an Android emulator if you are working on Android development, using the iOS simulator if you are on a Mac system, or by directly connecting a physical device through USB for real-time testing. Doing this ensures that your app runs smoothly, consistently, and without issues across different devices and platforms, allowing you to check performance, design, and functionality before moving ahead. Let's dive straight into creating your very first Flutter application by using simple and easy to remember terminal commands. With just the command, flutter create, you can instantly generate a brand new Flutter project complete with all the necessary files and folder structure, and then by running the command, flutter run, you'll have your very first app up and running on your connected device or emulator in no time. Congratulations! You successfully installed the Flutter SDK step by step, set up your preferred IDE with all the necessary plugins, and even built and launched your very first Flutter app. This is a huge milestone, and from this point forward, your Flutter development journey truly begins. Stay tuned for the upcoming tutorials, where we'll gradually delve deeper into the complete Flutter project structure, explore and understand how the different files work together, and learn about the power of widgets, UI basics, layouts, and styling. Each of these topics will help you gain a strong foundation and give you the knowledge to make your apps not only beautiful and visually appealing but also highly functional and user-friendly. Join this Flutter channel for weekly tutorials, practical code examples, and step-by-step guides that will help you throughout your learning journey. Subscribe now and hit the notification bell so you never miss any new video. Stay updated with the latest tips and tricks, and keep improving your Flutter skills while building amazing apps.